Recording started.
Yo, what's up guys? It's me, it's Hawk, and I'm playing with my cousin Adib. Yep. So we're gonna be beating dead rails, and I'm gonna make a huge wolf army.
And I'm gonna be making a huge rock army.
What? Okay, so we're going to focus on solely just getting a bunch of wolves, and at the end, we're gonna unleash the beasts.
Unleash the beast.
This is gonna be our first video. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah, boy. Oh, we're at full.
Perfect. Let's go. Hey, you drive. I have to look for.
Okay, now we don't wait. Oh, wait, there's full on more.
Oh, but Eddie, we're already at full. I'll just get it. There's 2, 3. How could we miss so many?
On this house, on this greenhouse too. I'll grab it.
Okay, we're kind of wasting time here, though.
Oh my god, there's so much.
Like how many?
3 of them.
3, nice. Okay, don't put them in because we're already at full. Just save them for emergency. We're at 60,000. At 70,000, I'm gonna put the wolves in my stack. Okay?
Okay.
Adib, I want you to be a distraction, and I'm gonna unleash the beasts onto these horrible people. So many wolves have died on the way. I fell off, bruh.
Oh, hit the brakes. We left our passenger.
Bro, why are there only horses? We need wolves.
I see you jumping. The one with orange health is about to die. Do not want to die. Let's go. Oh, look. Oh, those are not wolves. Those are horses.
JD, no more stops. I actually have to go do my school project, bro.
Okay, no more stops. So once we get to 80,000.
Unless there's wolves. Unless there's wolves. Yes? I'm almost done. Told you.
It's almost done.
Yeah. Oh no, I'm gonna snipe the outlaws, bruh. I have too much trauma. I whip! Oh, there's so many. There's way too many. Drive, 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 drive.
One of those cowboys. One just fell off and hit his face. Oh, Cole! No. Like I saw Cole Rock, but I didn't want to get it. Zach,
Yeah.
I saw Cole.
Where? It's fine, it's fine. There's no more stops. Unless there was. I fell off again.
No, the passenger keeps falling off. Where'd the bro go?
I'm right here. Okay, I need the chair. Bro, there's so many horses. And don't horses have the same spawn rate as wolves? We got so unlucky. But still, we do got a bunch of wolves. But some of them did die, so I don't think we have 14 anymore.
Okay, no more stops.
Yeah.
Wait, is it a school project?
Yeah. Okay. There's no more stops unless wolves. Because we need wolves. See anything? Look at our wolf army. So big. Okay, I'm just so excited to unleash the beast.
Me too, I'm excited.
I'm gonna put them in my sack at 70,000.
We are almost there. 20K left. Or 2,000 left.
Yep.
Here we are. Down here.
Okay, stop. Okay. Let's go. Wait, no, don't stop, drive! Oh wait, no, wait, do stop. Uh-oh. Wait, let's put our zombies as fuel.
Should I put mine?
Yep. No,
Okay.
I'm gonna pick up the ones with most health. I'm preparing for the final bottle. The final bottle, I said.
One. We got 4 pieces of coal. We need some money.
Adib, I'm gonna unweld these, put these in your sack, okay?
Okay, my sack. The wool.
Yeah.
Store them. Okay, store them.
Okay, drive.
Well,
Let's just put in the last amount of fuel. Okay, this is the last final boss battle, Adib. We got it. We can do this. Adib, at the end, okay, we have to drive.
so we have to drive right now.
It's Thunder Night. Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah. That means you don't have to fight anything.
Oh,
Wait, is it Thunder Night? It could be Werewolf.
is it red moon? Hey, check the moon. Is it bigger?
I think it's what's it called? The Ice Lightning Night.
Ooh, sort of early.
Perfect. Adib, try to drive a little bit slow
Where'd you go? Oh, you're right there.
so we don't get there nighttime.
Alright, do not go to the edge. We're almost there. 72.
I think we're gonna join in 5 minutes.
We'll have enough to go. Whoa, that was close. Oh my gosh.
Wait, what? Adib, I want to desktop too. Wait, what?
Tara ka dah.
Where is that?
Adib, stop the train! Adib, stop the train! Stop the train!
Alright, let's stop. Let's stop the train. Whoa.
Wait, did you stop the train?
Yes.
Okay, is there any zombies chasing us?
No. I see lightning though.
Desktop too. Somehow. Oh, okay.
I see lightning though.
Okay, drive. My bad.
Wait, what time is it? 9 a.m. The moon should be setting.
Yep. Okay, Adib, when we get to the final base, first we're gonna kill the turret people, okay? And then, Adib, just start unstoring everything in your sack, okay?
Okay. We're almost there. We might need to use one more phone.
They said they're eating. She said they're eating. Okay, we're almost there. Okay.
Can't have enough.
Okay, drive all the way to the end. I'll shoot them down.
Use and activate the bridge.
Unleash the bees! Unleash
the bees!
the attack!
Oh,
It's fine. Did you unleash them?
yeah. Did you activate the timer?
Yeah, I'm activating right now. The wolves are fighting against.
4 minutes to survive.
Will the wolves carry us? Attack, wolves! Oh, look at the wolf funnel! They're just standing there. Oh shoot, I fell.
No, the wolf.
I'm back jumping on them right now. Let's see this battle of the wolves. Oh, look at them. They're fighting out. They're fighting. They're duking it out. Oh, do you see this right now?
Oh, they're really low.
This is crazy. Oh, look at this.
I'm dead on the track.
You're dead on the track. Oh, well. All my wolves have died. They killed them all. Okay, there's 3 minutes left, you know? We got this. We got this.
Yeah. We got 2 minutes and 57 seconds left.
We can do this. The wolf army sacrificed their lives. They sacrificed their lives for this moment.